Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to share with you this popular sweet delicacy of northern part of India, and these are called gujiyas. Gujiyas are normally deep fried, but here in this video I'm going to share with you the air fried gujia recipe also. So please keep watching till the end so you don't miss any steps. So here you will see how we're going to do deep fry and air fry. So to start with, we are going to make the dough. For that I am taking 4 cups of all purpose flour. Next we add half cup ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can add olive oil or normal cooking oil here. So don't add water. You have to see, like you have to make a crumb like this and make a ball out of it. If it is, then that means the dough is very good and nicely oiled. Now add lukewarm water to make the dough. Use your hands to knead it well and make a nice dough. So next, for the filling, we are going to take ricotta cheese here. This is an Indian substitute of khoya that we put inside the gujiyas. So here in America we use ricotta cheese. So here I am adding 1 cup ricotta cheese and half cup condensed milk. So this is how it looks. Now we have to keep on stirring, and this we have to cook on low medium heat. Make sure we don't put it on high heat or else it will get burnt. So this is how the texture becomes once it starts to cook. We have to keep stirring it until it becomes a nice thick dough. You can see how it looks. It has to come in this consistency. So it will take around 30 minutes to bring to this consistency. Next we're going to take a pan, add ghee or you can add little oil. I'm going to fry cashews in this. You can add cashew, raisins, any flavor, any dry nuts of your choice you can add here. It's already roasted, so I'm just going to do it for like 2 to 3 minutes just to give that ghee flavor to this cashews. Now in the same ghee I'm going to add desiccated coconut, half cup. Give it a good mix. So this I'm doing at medium heat. Next we add semolina. This is optional. If you don't have, you can skip this. And it's easily available in all Indian grocery store. Semolina. We call it suji. Next, in an empty bowl, we're going to prepare the filling. So here I've added desiccated coconut which we fried, semolina and cashews. Next we add the ricotta cheese that we made a thick dough with condensed milk. Here I'm adding 1 teaspoon cardamom powder. It gives a very good flavor to the recipe we are making. And bind it well, mix it well. Here I am going to make the sugar syrup. So I have taken 1 cup sugar and added water. Next add cardamom powder and few saffron strings. Saffron string and cardamom powder gives a very good rich flavor to this gujiyas once they are deep fried or air fried. You can keep watching and you can see how it's going to look at the end. So here I've taken a dough, make a round shape like this. So there's a famous dish called empanada. So similarly, I'm going to use the same mold to make this, but the filling here is our gujia filling that we are going to put. So this is the mold I've used, which is used to make empanadas. Now we're going to fill this filling that we created. So there's one more tip I'm going to share here, how to keep the seal, how to keep it sealed so that when you deep fry it, it doesn't open. So for that I've taken 1 tablespoon all-purpose flour in a bowl. Next, adding water to make a thick paste. It should not be running, it should be thick paste. So this is the thing that we're going to use for binding it or for sealing it. So once we put this, you can see how we are going to do it. So once we do this way, using this thick paste to seal it, it will not open. So that's a trick here. So I'm going to make the first few batches in air fryer. Now you can see how we're going to seal it. See? Just apply it on all the edges like this. Normally we used to put water, but water also sometimes opens up. So this is the good way to seal it. Look. So we're going to make all the gujiyas like this. Take that extra all-purpose flour or extra dough. Now I'm going to air fry these gujiyas. So before doing that, we will brush oil on the tray and place all the gujiyas. So I'm not going to flip it in between, so it's going to be like this. Also, I'm going to use 2 settings here in air fryer. First, I'm going to do it at 320 degree for 8 minutes so that it's nicely light brown and crisp. After that, I'll do for 360 degree 10 minutes. First time I'll do 320 degree for 8 minutes, then 360 degree for 10 minutes. So in total 18 minutes with 2 temperature settings. They are perfectly crisp. And we're going to put these gujiyas in the sugar syrup that we made. They are the healthy version of gujiyas, which is normally done oil fried, deep oil fried. I'm going to share that recipe also in the same, how I'm going to oil fry, deep fry these gujiyas. So the oil is nicely hot. So we're going to do this in medium high heat. Medium heat. We can put around like 6 to 7 gujiyas at a time if the So they are done. Look how delicious they look. The filling is so rich in flavor. It's very good. The flavor of cardamom, so good. So these are the air fried one. You can see it from the look how it looks, and these are oil fried. Oil fried and air fried. Two versions are shared with you today, and the filling is so delicious. I'll mention all the ingredients in the description below, so you can refer to it and you can make it. Very interesting recipe, very delicious. Try to create the same recipe, same flavor with me. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and do like and share your comments with me. See you soon with new video again. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so now. See you soon. Bye bye. Take care.